Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see Google Chrome Bookmarks bar. Open Chrome. There, open a new tab. You can see the bookmarks in the bar available. You can click on any of these bookmarks to access it. Now click on the menu and choose Settings. You will go to the section Appearance. Here it will be possible to enable or not the switch, Show Bookmarks bar. This allows you more agile access to your favorites. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.